Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum boys. Hope you are all fine. Today we are going to end the exercises of unit 3 and we will start our class with exercise E given on page number 28. So open your books on this page. Yes boys, this is change the voice. So before we do the exercise, we have to revise the rules of voices. That which rules we have read in 8th class to change an active voice sentence into passive voice. So the example given here is Ali eats apple. First of all, look at the sentence that this is a present indefinite sentence as there is eats, the first form of verb given here, and then we have a subject that is Ali, the verb eats, and the object apples. It means that for changing an active into passive voice, we need a subject, a verb, and an object. Without object, we cannot change an active voice into passive voice. How this sentence is changed into passive voice? I tell you that these are very simple 5 fingertip rules. If you remember these rules and keep this in your mind that these are your 5 fingertip rules, you will never ever forget it in your life. See how this sentence is changed. The sentence is Ali eats apples. Apples is the object of sentence and we have written it into passive voice. The first word means we have made it our subject, apples. Then we have to add a helping verb, that is, as the sentence is present indefinite, so it is according to apples, it is are. And in all the passive voices, we must have to use the third form of verb, whether it is of present simple or present indefinite or it is of future indefinite. Third form of verb is must part of a passive voice sentence. Without it, it is incorrect. So the third form of eat is eaten. Apples, then helping verb are, then third form of verb eat, eaten, and then we have made addition of a preposition, that is by. In all the passive voice sentences, we add by, and sometimes we also make use of through as is given in your exercise. And then we have turned the subject into object, that is Ali. So according to this example, our rules are, first of all, what we did, we have changed object into subject. Then secondly, we have added a helping verb and that helping verb was according to the tense and subject. Means that we are bound to select the helping verb according to our tense and then according to the subject, that it must agree with the subject, it must be according to the tense. Thirdly, we must have to use the third form of verb in all the passive voice sentences. Number 4, preposition by or through is used in passive voice sentences. And number 5 is subject becomes object. Subject, that is the first or the start or the main part of the sentence, it changes into the object, it becomes passive. Right? Active voice means your subject is active. Passive voice means your subject becomes passive. It receives the action that is performed. I hope that you have learned these rules and you are clear about that. Then there are some sentences in which we have to change the passive into active. So how to change these passive into active? For that, take the example that if there is a sentence, they are helped by me. In this sentence, we have subject they, then we have a helping verb are and main verb helped. This are and helped, they indicate that this is, and then after that we have by and then me. This are, helped and by. These 3 words indicate that this is the passive voice of a sentence. So now we have to convert this passive voice into active voice. For that conversion, what we need to do? First, you have seen the sentence that was Ali eats apple. They were just subject, verb and object. And now we have 5 words, that is they, then are, then helped, and by, and me. It means that we have to cut something short. And what that something is? First of all, we have to omit helping verb from this sentence. And after omission of helping verb, it will remain helped. And if we write it just help, it will become your past indefinite. No, we are not going to change this present indefinite passive voice into past indefinite. We have to make the present indefinite of this sentence. So, after cutting or omitting are from this sentence, we are going to change this helped into first form of verb, means help. Then omission of by, and lastly our object will become subject. So how it will be written? Me will change into I. We will cross or cut the helping verb are, and we will use the first form of verb as it is present indefinite tense, and first form of helped is help. Then we have also omitted preposition, that was by, and lastly we changed our me or object into I, and this sentence became I help them. I hope that you are clear about it. The rules of changing a passive voice sentence into active voice is, while changing a passive voice into active voice, what do we do? First of all, object becomes subject. Secondly, additional verb cancelled, as is done in this sentence that we have omitted are from this sentence. Then form of verb according to tense is used. This are and help indicates that this is present indefinite tense. So we have omitted are from here, and in present indefinite we know that we use first form of verb. So this are is omitted from here, and helped is changed into help. Then omission of preposition, and lastly subject becomes object. This is how we have changed this passive voice sentence into active voice. Now comes the exercise, and I suggest you to do this exercise on your sheets that you are doing your work on. So this exercise is, your sentence number 1 is, media helps people to share knowledge. Your first sentence, media helps people to share knowledge. Next sentence is, their feelings and opinions are expressed through it. Number 3 is, media attracts the attention of a very large audience. Number 4 is, after entering the house, we switch on the television. Number 5 is, it not only informs us but also entertains us. In all these sentences, first let's mark as the subject, verb and object. In your first sentence, your subject is media, verb is helps, and object is people. In second sentence, their feelings and opinions are expressed through it. See, we have just now read the example that they are helped by people. It means that here are expressed and through, these 3 words show that this is a passive form, right? So here our subject is their feelings and opinions. Our verb phrase is are expressed. Preposition is through, and object is it. Then sentence number 3 is, media attracts the attention of a very large audience. In this sentence, media is subject, attracts is verb, and the attention of a very large audience is our object. Next comes number 4, after entering the house. This is time phrase, that when after entering the house. After then this begins your actual sentence or main clause, that is, we switch on the television. So here our subject is we, verb is switch on, and the television is our object. And sentence number 5 is, it not only informs us but also entertains us. It is a compound sentence where 2 informations are combined in one sentence. It actually is, it informs us, it entertains us. Do you understand? So when it is combined, it becomes it not only informs us but also entertains us. Means it is the subject, informs and entertains are the verbs, and us is the object of this sentence. Now how we will change these sentences into passive voice? Let's see. First sentence, media helps people to share knowledge. We changed this sentence into passive voice and it became people are helped by media to share knowledge. Then next one is their feelings and opinions are expressed through it. As I told you earlier that this sentence is passive voice sentence. So here we need to omit are, we need to omit through, and then it will become it expresses their feelings and opinions. Number 3 sentence is media attracts the attention of a very large audience. In this sentence, the attention of a very large audience. Now attention is your main subject. According to this, your helping verb will be is. The attention of a very large audience is. Third form of attract is attracted. Preposition is by, and object subject becomes object, means media is the object of this sentence. So this sentence becomes attention of a very large audience is attracted by media. Number 4 is after entering the house we switch on the television. Now we can either do it in this form as is done in the notebook, that after entering the house will remain at the same place, and then we will change into passive voice, that is after entering the house television is switched on by us, means object becomes subject, television, helping verb according to that is, third form of verb switched on, and then preposition by, and lastly subject becomes object, means when it was subject it was we, and when it became object it is us. The one way is writing it in this way. The other way is we can write it in this way also, television is switched on by us, and then write the time phrase at the end, after entering the house. This will also be correct form. Then number 5 is it not only informs us but also entertains us. So how we will change it into passive voice? In both the forms we have us as our object. So when it will come to the place of subject, it will become we. With the pronoun we are using the helping verb are. We are not only, third form of inform is informed, we are not only informed but also entertained by or through it. We are not only informed but also entertained. We can use by, we can also use through it. Both are the correct ways. Both prepositions are the correct preposition, but most commonly used is by for the passive voice. So I hope that this is clear to you. As I told you earlier, that do this exercise on your worksheets, because the space given here is not enough that you can easily and neatly write it on your books. And I forgot to tell you earlier from the very beginning, from the first lesson, that do your exercises very clearly day to day with date. It will be collected and checked while you come to the school. After this comes exercise exercise F. That exercise is change the paragraph into past indefinite tense. Remember boys, you have also done conversion of sentences in your 6th class, in your 7th class, in your 8th class. Means this is very common, that change the sentence into indefinite, change the sentence into interrogative, change this tense into future, change this tense into past. So here you are given the same activity, that change the paragraph into past indefinite tense. First you were given sentences and now you are given here a paragraph. So this is media helps people to share knowledge of the world. Here we are asked to change it into past indefinite. It means that we have to change the verb into verb of past indefinite, that is second form of verb. Media helps. Helps will be changed into helped. Media helped people to share knowledge of the world. Then their feelings and opinions are expressed. This are will change into were. Their feelings and opinions were expressed through it. Then media attracts the attention. This attracts will become attracted. Media attracted the attention of a very large audience. Have you noticed? Have is your present verb and the past verb is had. Had you noticed means this have will change into had. That the first thing we do. Do is the first form of verb. We have to change it into past indefinite. It will become first thing we did. Soon after entering the house is changes into was. First thing we did soon after entering the house was to switch on the television. So this is how we have changed this present indefinite tense paragraph into past indefinite paragraph. So you have to do this exercise on your book. Last exercise of this unit related to grammar is punctuation. Boys, I told you in the first unit into the second unit that punctuation can be given from anywhere of your full book and of your unit of your text के punctuation आपको book में से कहीं से भी दी जा सकती है. किसी भी यूनिट के किसी भी पैराग्राफ का कोई भी वर्ड आपको पंक्चुएशन सेंटेंस लाइंस कुछ भी दिया जा सकता है. Here you are just given one exercise or 2 or 3 sentences from your text, that is punctuate the following. We have read these lines in our unit also. There are 2 means of communication. There are 2 means. The first letter was written small. Never ever we have read or heard that your sentences begin with the small letter. So the first letter will be capital. There are 2 means of communication. Now what are those means of communication? It is still incomplete. The statement is still incomplete. When we have an incomplete statement, we use comma there. There are 2 means of communication, comma, electronic media and print media. Here our information or our statement completes that these are electronic media and print media. So a full stop is added here. After full stop comes the new sentence, that is the media. So again the media, the first letter of the is T, that will be capital. The media includes films, radio, television, internet, books, magazines and newspapers. See boys, whenever a lot of nouns or a lot of verbs or one or more than 2 verbs are written together, they are separated with using a comma. So here we have a list of nouns that we are going to separate by using commas. So the media includes film, comma, radio, comma, television, comma, internet, comma, books, comma, magazines and newspapers. Here we have not used comma because we have used a conjunction, that is and. Here ends this sentence and we have placed a full stop here. In the next sentences, it provides us information as well as entertainment. Again, I will be capital and there will come a full stop at the end of this sentence. It provides us information as well as entertainment. And here ends this punctuation exercise also. Do remember this and do learn this, but keep this in your mind that punctuation can be given from anywhere of the text, from any unit, from any passage, from any lines. So you are not supposed to practice or not supposed to do just these exercises that are given in your text related exercises. So boys, here ends our unit 3 and your today's diary is revision of all exercises of unit 3 including spellings of difficult words. We started these exercises from vocabulary, then we have done grammar, and then there was glossary. All that we have done in the class. Revise all these exercises, to practice all these exercises, and along with that, revision of spellings is a must. Okay, all the difficult words that or all the confusing spellings. Like you can be given punctuation from anywhere of the unit. Similarly, you can be given spellings of any of the words. So do learn all the difficult word spellings. This is your today's diary. Okay, thank you.